What's going on? What's going on, y'all? Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounded. Let me know how we sounded. All right, we're sounding good. We're sounding good. So we got some news popping off today. We got a bunch of news popping off the next hour, 2 hours. So we're about to see how that affects the markets. So we're not going to really be taking anything right now because we don't take trades during the news. We take trades before the news and after the news. All right. Got a huge GJ trade today. Broke this down the past couple days. Going to be looking for continued buys right here. Going to be seeing if GJ can hold 197.20 as support. If it can, we're going to be looking for buys going back up to 197.91 to see if we can hold that level as support and see the uptrend continue. We're also going to be looking for continued sells for the GBP pairs, but as you can see, they're retracing and canceling out the moves they did yesterday and a little bit of the day before. Now again, we have 3:15 Euro news. So we got Euro news about to start in about 4 minutes, and then we have another 3:30 Euro news event. Then we have 4 a.m. orange folder Euro news. Then we have 4:30 GBP news. And then at 8:30 today, we got USD unemployment claims at 9:45. We got flash manufacturing PMI. Then later on today, again, we got another 3:45 GBP news event. So we got a lot of news popping off today. Make sure to go ahead and like the live, y'all. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. We just hit 2,800 subscribers. Let's get to 2,900, y'all. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Euro news just popped off. So if you don't understand how news works, make sure to check out my How to Trade News playlist. But again, if y'all was here at the beginning of the live stream, we talked about sales, and now we see as soon as the news starts, what do we see? EU dumping. versus GU. It's still retracing up. So we're going to see we're going to break this next level. It has been dumping for literally this entire week, though. As we see, Monday has been dropping all week. My Wi-Fi has been bugging a little bit more than usual, but I do have a video edited for y'all, so I'm gonna try to upload that today for y'all. But on my other channels, it's been a struggle trying to upload stuff. So hopefully with this channel, I'll give it priority, because if y'all don't know, YouTube sometimes prioritizes channels. So maybe it's just because it's not my main channel. But hopefully we can have that video uploaded today, y'all. Make sure to check out my other videos, though. All playlists are up to date. So while we're chilling, make sure to explore the content on there. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post content on there as well throughout the week. You see it scroll at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_way. TikTok, _playmakerway_. Members are going to be going live later on today as well. I'll let you know whether it's going to be the 8:30 to 9:45 news. So make sure you're going to look out for that. Me and Charlie are really paying attention right now to is GJ, but mainly because the Euro news is passing right now. Again, we have 3:15 Euro news going on. We have another Euro news event right after this one, and then we have 4:30 GBP news. So we're most likely not going to take any steps till after those news events pop up. But then after the 4:30 news, we also have 8:30 news at the beginning of New York, the 9:45 USD news, and then right before markets close, we have another GBP news event. So we got a bunch of news popping off today. We've been absolutely killing it so far this month. We got a new 15 about to start in a little bit. We got another Euro news event about to pop up. But again, you can see here, again, that news isn't too complicated when you know what you're looking at, know what price is doing. So again, you don't understand how news goes, especially because there's a lot of news pop up today. Make sure to check out my How to Trade News playlist and the members. Make sure to go to Advanced Play Studio and check out the past news recordings because we go live at least twice a week during New York news events. This week's obviously a little bit different than last week because there's not a lot of New York news events, but we're going to be going live today with the members. I'm going to be seeing if GJ can hold this level right here as support. Did a nice little retracement. Broke out of this consolidation. We rolled that entire wave up. And again, we broke this down in the Sunday chart analysis at the beginning of the week, as well as during the London session lives yesterday, as well as what's today? What's today? Thursday? So what was it? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday and yesterday. As far as how we're doing so far this week, we're 2-0 this week. Last week we went 3-1. Then the week before that we went 3-0. Then the first week we went 2-0. So we're only taking one loss so far this month, which is not bad at all. If you scroll up to October 2nd, you'll see how we ended last month, September. We went 14-2, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 35,486 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. Scroll up a little bit higher, you can see how we did the month prior to. So you keep on clicking these, it'll take you up a week by week, a month by month basis, depending on which one you click. Right, everything's dated, time to document, send a live out. The link every time we go live, every week at the beginning of the week on Sunday, we drop the Sunday chart analysis. Just like this week, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. Even though it is Thursday, it's not too late to check this out. So check this out to see how price was looking at the beginning of the week compared to what it's looking like right now. And of course, ultimately, we're going to compare to see what it looks like after the week. So after tomorrow's over with as well. All right, new 15 just popped up. So we're to see if GJ can hold this level as support. 197.20 as support. We can look for buys going back up to 197.90, where we're going to see if we can hold this level as support because it broke it yesterday. We see it didn't really hold as support, especially after the retracement test. So we're going to see if we can look for continued buys today on that. And this is exactly why we don't trade during the news. It's different if we're in a trade prior to the news, but price isn't meaning our confirmation until the news starts. It's always wise to wait till after the news event pops up. This is exactly why we just had a 315 euro news event. Now we have a 330, and you can see the 330 is canceling out the exact move 315 did. You see what I'm saying? So again, just stick to your rules, stay consistent, never get greedy, and you'll be fine. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When we looking at the charts, drop in the chat. I don't know what's. I don't know why I keep doing that. Oh, we have a lot of tabs open this time. Crazy's been bugging out. All right, so SPX is pushing back up. So I like how this is looking right here. We're about to see if we can hold this here. Yeah, GU's probably. I want to see what GU is doing as well. Yeah, it's canceling out the entire move it did yesterday. As long as we can continue to hold these level here at 2970, we're still bearish. So let's see if GN can break this level too. Again, y'all, we got a bunch of news popping off right now, so we're just watching the charts, letting the news play out, and then we're gonna go from there. New 5 minutes about to pop up in a second. New 15 is about to pop up. Those just joining the stream, we have not entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Again, just letting the news play out right now. We just had the 315 and 330 euro news pop off. Later on, we got 430 GBP news, and then we have an 830 USD news, 945 USD news, and then right before markets close, we have another 345 GBP news event. So it's going to be a lot of interesting things taking place today. And we got about, what is it, like 40 minutes. GBP news about to pop off. But again, we're still going to be looking for continued buys. So we're going to see if GJ can continue to hold 197.20 as support. If we can hold 197.20 as support, we can look for buys going back up to 197.85, which it failed to hold that support yesterday. And if we can do that, we can see the uptrend continue, right? We finally broke out of that consolidation. We were stuck in literally all month. We rode the entire daily candlestick yesterday. Again, literally since after the first week of October, you see this was October 4th, it was literally stuck here all month until this week. We finally broke out of this level. So everybody see if the uptrend is going to continue. Hopefully we're not sucked back into consolidation. That would be nice, right? All right, so now we see it retest. We see the new 15 popped up. Now we see it pushing up. So again, if it can hold 197.20 as support, we can look for buys going back up to 197.85, also to 188.60. All right, y'all. Again, we do have GBP news about to pop off in 28 minutes, so do keep that in mind. All right, shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. We went over how we're doing so far this month. We're 2-0 so far this week. But if you scroll to October 2nd, you can see how we ended last month, September. You scroll to October 4th, you'll see how we ended quarter 3. July was 16-5. August 13-1, September 14-2, and then the quarter 43-8, giving us 84% win rate, catching a total of 64,655 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of quarter 3. It'll also show you how we ended quarter 2, 44-11, 80% win rate, 118,359 pips. So again, you can see the average high, 90% win rate. It's not just on a weekly basis, but also a monthly and quarterly basis. All right, y'all. If y'all interested in learning how to identify these levels or don't want to miss out on these signals, make sure to hit those links in the description. We're going to be back at the same time tomorrow on the session at 3 p.m. EST.